done creating a Haiku deck account, you're ready to start using the Haiku deck web editor. Let's go take a look at an example Haiku deck just to get an idea of what the slides might look like after you're done. You can see that you've got some bold text with a subheading and then an image in the background. You can format where the text is located on the page, the top and the bottom. And then one of the things that Haiku deck does is helps you find these high impact images that you see in the background. Another part of that that's kind of neat is you'll notice up here there's a little CC symbol, and that lets you know that the photos that you're seeing here in the background are Creative Commons licensed and automatically cited for you, which is a big benefit. Take a look here at one more slide, and then we'll go back and take a look at the Haiku deck editor. One of the things that's a little bit hidden here but that you'll want to take a look at is this themes bar. There are some themes available. The themes do not include the images in the background, it's just the font type that you're seeing here. And then there are some paid themes that you can access on the iPad app that aren't currently available here. So we'll pick this Volterra and turn on that theme and then close the theme bar. You're always prompted at first to put in some text, so we're going to put in a word. And I'm just going to keep it simple. I'm just going to have that one word on the page. You also have the option of doing bulleted lists and numbered lists. The simplest thing to do after you've got your word or your title on your page is to click on the background icon. This is going to bring up your image search. The images that you see down here are going to be Creative Commons licensed unless they have a little dollar sign by them, in which case those are images that Haiku deck will sell to you to use within your presentation. And so you can scroll down and you can see a lot of these images are really high impact. I'm doing something on design, so we're going to grab this one. And then I can go to select a layout, and this lets me decide whether I want to have right justified down at the bottom of the page, etc. Where do I want to have the words located on the slide? From there I can click down here where it says add slide and then add some more text, and again I can go in and then based on the words that are found here you'll see I can pick the word activism and it's going to bring up different images that I can use then inside my presentation. And if I don't really like the images that I'm finding here, maybe activism isn't the word that I need in terms of my search, I can put something else in like action. And then I go to the layout tool and find one that I think is going to fit with my theme. I'm going to go with this one right here. And now I've got my two slides. And then I can keep going and add more slides. Those are the basic editing features. That's one of the great things about Haiku deck is its simplicity. When I'm ready I can come up here and click on the play button, which will let me view my presentation, and then I can use the arrow keys or the mouse to slide back and forth between those. When I'm ready to go back to the editor I come up here to the little pencil icon, and then the final option is to click on share, and I have the option of keeping this presentation private or making it public or restricted, which is kind of like unlisted on YouTube. Give it a description, pick a category, and then publish. And then that's going to give me the opportunity to share out through these different links. Embed is one that you'd probably use more frequently because it gives you either a code for embedding it on a website or just a simple URL address that you can copy and then share out in an email or put into a presentation notes for others to access.